We fall, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. I said we will rise again.
I am in the airport and I am trying to find my gate. Them change the gate for we. So we have to walk so far, which is irritating. So guys, I am sitting here and I am waiting for my flight. Oh Jesus, your girl tired still? I'm tired bad. Tired bad. So yes people, I'm heading home. You know, when I get this video, I'm already at home still. You know, when I get the video. So just stay tuned and remember to subscribe to my channel. This guys, I'm in the airport. Look what dumbass man want to tell me say. This is an extra bag. This is an extra bag. What's that, sir? This is a belt. I'm going to put in that one on my bag. I don't know which part, but I want it to. Some of them just see what they know to take. We must have get extra pay. So guys, I'm going on the plane now. Okay. Time to board the plane. About 3 bags. Yes, they are 3 bags. Bright and bright. Guys, we're on the plane now. Whew. I'm praying for safe traveling back home. You know, it's been so long since I'm away. Even though it's still time to check in. The vacation should have been longer, but as we tell us another party to go tonight, so it got short. I just can't wait for the plane to get off. Then we can get to eat my food. Cause yeah, girl hungry bad. I'm hungry. Like I'm so hungry. Guys, we just got TGI Friday. 1 juice and 1 liquor sandwich. Hey, 1 juice and 1 liquor sandwich. $14 odd. Almost $15. That madness. That real madness. Yes guys. So it's almost time to take off. I'm on board and the only thing I think about is to eat. To eat guys, to eat. You know, I walk with my belly anyway. I haven't eaten from morning though. And it's like, what time now? It's 11:58. It's almost 12 o'clock. And I haven't eaten. You know? By the time I get this, I know I'm going to eat already and stuff like that. Then it's stuff up and pull up and all these things. Yes guys, as you can see, we're moving off. Oh people. Right, that's the shade. Guys, as I reach, I'm going straight to do my nails. So guys, as you can see, it's almost time for us to take off. Like down here is American Airline headquarters. Guys, as you know, I'm on the plane, so I'm talking a bit low. Yeah, just now you go to the plane start go like a bullet. And actually I am scared of that part. I don't like when the plane drive fast. Just now you see him the brakes up. My brakes up for take off. Jesus Christ. But does lock me here this apart people. I literally just close my eye. So yes guys, I'm on my way home. When I see this year, I go already reach home. Wishing myself a safe flight. You know, with God everything is possible. You know. And I'm proud of myself, you know. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know if them are wait for them one another. The pilots are about to take off, so I don't know what really are going. If them are wait for the one they go off or what. You know, it have a plane in front of us, as you can see, guys. So I think we're going off after that one. Wow. Well, that's not the one I'm talking. I'm talking about one in front of us, guys. You know. All right, the sushi. See that? They might take off one by one, guys. One by one, they might take off. You see? Everybody await them course. They might take off one by one. So yes, after that one, I think that after that one is gonna be we. You know. Yes, people. One flight take off. Next one is about to take off. Then we take off. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Like this is super dope. And guys, me not tell no lie. I don't like plane. I rather to drive to wherever I'm going. But it's just that plane go faster. But I don't like it. I literally ate plane ride. You know, I just do it because it's easier. Alright, one more big boy I gotta go off. Guys, one of them day I gotta own a plane, you know. I could have one private jet. I have to own one. You see me? Yeah, whatever you want, you have to speak it into existence. And I don't laugh when I say this. Because I don't know. You know? We're playing about to pick up speed here now. And are we next? So yes, people, what are you waiting for to subscribe to the channel? I don't know where I'm waiting for now. So people, the big boy is about to shoot. So as you can see, the big boy a turn. Or you can watch the line of ground. This is a big boy a turn. You understand? Yeah, right. So it have United behind. It have Delta and United behind us, guys. You see that? All of them are waiting at them turn and I wait them turn to take off. Wait a turn. Oh, wait a turn. Look there, 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 look there. You want speed? You want speed? That's Spirit Airline over there. Yes, people. Watch them, man. Guys, I not look out there now. I not look out there. Yo. Up in the air, is it up in the air, is it up in the air, is it? Oh, this is the worst part of it, guys. I have to close my eyes. If I see someone close my eye, I really close my eye, people, I close my eye, I literally close my eye. I can't see nothing where going out there. I might have to go do a voice over. Alright, man, look now. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Guys, look there. Place big and nice, see? Oh, what a nice view. Whoa, you playing a tilt. So yes, people, as you can see, guys, let them have some little house still. Hey, this place is so big, people. It is huge. You see the lake right there, so? Guys, wanna tell me son don't love a view, yeah? Tell me you don't love the view. Tell me say you not love it. Nice bad. Enough look water, circle up, you know. When they up in the air, you realize it. The plane take off fast though. In the normal, it take off so fast. As in, when you go up in the air, normally, the next one, them not take off like this. Look upon the world, people. Look at beauty. Look at God creation. Look upon God creation. So anyway, guys, I'll see you guys soon again. Finally get to eat. Movie time. First time when I travel from plane, them used to give us stuff. This is what we got. Good thing I buy food. When I hear people say Atlanta is bush, could I? Be here bush. Be here bush. For Atlanta people. Bush, bush, bush and more bush. Oh. Somebody down there, so you see the big old house down there, so with them have pool in them yard. See it? First have a pool. Right, that's a share. Yep. Just touched down in the airport. I joke when I touched down yet. Soon touched down. So people, I am super tired. And Atlanta is actually cold. I'm a vex because I don't like the cold. And I only have this. I just my leather jacket but in my bag. Atlanta is cold. If you know me, you know I don't like the cold, man. I hate it. So let's stay tuned, guys. Atlanta full of bush, you know. Jesus Christ. What's that? Just touched down in the 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 airport. I'm an Air Force. All of the girls them love me. The one is so ugly. She does spot the designer. She won't give me the vagina. So yes, people. Thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Time is currently 3:15 p.m. Please remain seated with seatbelt fastened until we get to the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. When we get to the gate and turning off the seatbelt sign happens, please use caution as you open the overhead door.
Just realized that.
You may now use your cell phone so American Airlines and our worldwide partners would like to thank you for flying us today. We hope to see you again soon on future American flights. Thank you.
Guys, I don't know when I reach home, you know? I haven't reached home yet. Mall. Mall me there. Mall, guys. So yes guys, as you can see, I leave the mall and then I was at the spot where the party was going to keep. Some music didn't play, some did go and vibe to some music. I eat some food and I start vibe to some music. Yes, some people, so if I realize I never reach home till late, so I didn't get the video when I reach home. But guys, this is when I am back at that same venue at the party. So yes guys, as you can see, your girl is listening to some music and she's having fun. Had a good time, guys. You understand? I'm gonna play some soul, some nice music, you know. So honestly, girl, what I'm saying, no rest for the weekend. Yes people, I had a good time. You understand? Yeah.
You want it on stage right now, sing.
Watch my friend. I throw money for my friend, you know. Yo, my real friend that day, my miserable friend. Yes, people. Yeah, that's my miserable friend. Yes, guys. And I had a good time. Yes, I had a good time. They was too. Yo, people. When I telling us some friend party did shot, it did shot. Listen to me. Remember to subscribe to my channel, you know.
Black and white, white and black. Start right now. Tell you now, right now. You are play right now, but we'll play one next song for you, my brother. What if the people that like so you stay alive and you keep party and you still hold it up in Atlanta? You see the people that don't like you, you can play a song for them and just tell them. Everybody sing! Welcome to Atlanta, big up on New York, Virginia, Florida, Canada, Texas, Jamaica and building, also California. But right now people, I've been doing this event 15 years now. 10 years in New York City, a little much, over 25 years. You understand me? But the person that inspired me to do this thing is right here. His name is Dennis Wetwet. You understand me? I used to sell video cassette back in the days. Before I knew Dennis. Sell video cassette, right here my profile, can tell you about that. See, before CD, DVD days. Watching black and white when I was about 13, 14, 15, 16, 7 records in New York City. And I get to know this man about 15 years now. You understand me? His name is Dennis Wetwet. He is the founder for Black and White in Jamaica, sponsored by NSC. You understand me? And keep in mind, Bugsybambam is a brand. You understand me? Alright, so Dennis Wetwet, big myself virgin, because you know, say I hold it for years. Anna, it's good to be here. Atlanta, Tom, Bugsybambam, White and birthday. Big up. And you look to the left to see many more. And you keep it white and black. Many more. Atlanta people, New York people, Miami, all over. Big up yourself. It's good to be here. Love you all. Give thanks.
So yes people, and this is how everything and I take out my eyelash them, so don't worry about that. People, when we land today, it was a busy day, so we never get to fully finish it. So you know, let me take the vlog straight to the party. You understand? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, if you're new to my channel, to subscribe. My makeup is sweat out. Don't worry about that. It's sweat out and I'm about to take them off. See? Makeup wipes right as a sheet. Baby wipes right as a sheet. So yes people, I hope you guys enjoy my vlog. I know it was long, but for all of you who make it this far in the video, I want to just put be a flame emoji and type GOODAS, big up yourself. You understand? Be a flame in the emoji and type GOODAS, big up yourself. So guys, I'm only going to take one picture today. You understand? I don't really want to stand up because I'm a fresh. Like when I tell you your girl is fresh, your girl fresh. So yeah man, go and big up on yourself. Thanks to each and every one of you who make my channel possible, because without you guys there wouldn't be a YouTube channel with me. You understand? I know sometimes we might feel that we get some little bit of views, but at the end of the day it still counts. You understand? It still does count. Big up to the silent watchers, the one them who watch my video, them who afraid for comment. Big up on yourself. You understand? I'm telling you, see, some of our silent watchers, some of them are our biggest fan. Them watch right through, never yet comment, but then I miss a video and then I miss a beat. You ever all the live and you see all five somebody I watch and nobody now say nothing? I say shit. Those are some silent watchers. You understand? It can be some people that watch your business now, but not all the time. Sometimes it's people who genuinely love you and they're there watching you. You understand? I said, well, I'm like the girl I know. It's either you're trying to start a YouTube channel, they want to get inspired. Some of them might get inspired by me to start one. You understand? Because remember, I said YouTube world big for everybody, for all of us. So just go and big up on yourself. More and drop the vlog soon. Very soon. So I am out, guys. And I know it's a girl, Curry. GOODAS.